Yeah, bless up my people. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Don't know send you link there, my people. Well, viewers and subscribers, I be things, you know, I be things, you know. And you will come to talk about some real serious issues right now. Some real issues, some real things you need to talk about. You understand? Where people are trying to talk about it, but them are trying to do it in a way which not right. So New Link come adjust the thing in the real way, the right and true way. Alright. Here's an incident happened now, St. Elizabeth there, seen? With a lesbian girl there, where she was attacked by a group of men who gave her several stab and things. You understand? Because of her, you know what I mean? Lesbianism thing. Well, my people, I come to really talk about something right now, see? And I don't joke thing about nothing. Alright, number one. You have some other people who's defending the girl and say, you know what I mean, say, it should have wish. It's right. You know what I mean? No one deserves to be attacked. You know what I mean? In a harmful way, especially, you know what I mean, stab wound and all of them things there. You know what I mean? No one deserves that. See? But the end of the day, it is wrong. Meaning, the lifestyle is wrong. And me now go back no lifestyle and say right. But in the end of the thing, New Link now go back nothing and say you are going and you know say she didn't should have stabbed her or that. No, she don't deserve to get no stab. But the girl who get the stab, you see that your sexual choice where I live, Zane, it is wrong. And if you listen to the Bible tell you everything about that, say it's wrong. Zane, it's wrong. So now you need to look in yourself and see that you could have been killed just because of that and something we had wrong. Because then they see you with a man I walk, they would not do that. If they didn't know you with a man, they would not do that. And the next thing, people, I'm telling you, this is a very serious thing. Zane, as I'm telling you, that's a New Link. I not support them thing there on a straight level, people, but I'm going to be honest here on a level right now. Zane, you see, them over there so with them nastiness, them stay over there so, me there so with my good self. Zane, you not mix with me not trouble you, because you not trouble me, so me no need for trouble you. Get what I'm saying? Look at the thing now. You have some of these people now who feel like say them a part of we same way, which they are different. And I'm gonna be honest, people, they are different. We and them not the same thing. See? So some of them feel like now, them we see you did this now, or some straight man did this now, them are gonna come there now and go out with them bag of excitement and this and feel so. Which in Jamaica you cannot do that. Jamaica is a very homophobic country and if the world know that, it advertises on the world, you know. See? So certain things like them there, you cannot do. You have to know how to conduct yourself. So look at now, there's no problem when you have a party over there, so see, nobody can go trouble on the by yourself. But when you come so now and come here so and fi mix up with this set of people and like you know want to come make the people and get burned and so them are gonna feel a way. And as a New Link always say, you know, then because I heard of it's first me ever heard of an incident where a lesbian girl get attacked. I never heard of it before. It's the first one I heard. I don't know if it happened before in some places, but me never hear about it before. So now people, me always hear so them attack the man, them and them thing. They understand and me always say, yo, you wrong for attack the body, you know what I mean? But you see it, people for live clean and live good life. But you know me always say now people, on a real level, me always say why the woman them always, you know what I mean? Them do them thing, them up front with them sitting on them and they never trouble them and why they always trouble. Me always say it still, is it? So I've heard me. But as me I tell them, if people feel live right, certain things don't reach them, you know. Because the Bible tell you, Zane, and me not go try mix the Bible and certain thing, but the Bible tell you, a man that lazy than another man shall do a. Okay. You hear what I tell you? And it's not a joke thing when they tell you that, a real thing you tell you. So, as to me, I say people, some people need to fix themselves, man. You know what I mean? Fix themselves. Fix their life. You know what I mean? You can't expect, say, yo, me see all on this Facebook live thing, you know. The nasty man, them take over the thing away, which them come on the street naked on live at 1 heap or something. Which Facebook live is open to many children been watching these things. You get me, I say? When some people find time to come on my vlog and I say, yo, newlink, you need to stop. You need to talk about the killing every day at Jamaica and something and da. We now go tell the people in the life, say, yo, them need to come off of the Facebook like with them certain nastiness there. Them they think we are damage to country. Them that thing we damage the country. Because people believe say, yo, and them think that Jamaica na promote. When I see the whole of the board them come to boom now, left Jamaica gone a foreign, come on live with them bag of nastiness and strip up themselves and put on their makeup on them shit then now. Zin and embarrassing our country. Them that thing we need to talk about we are embarrassing and damage the country. Or you mean for them that not damage the place? And some idiot now, I go come back them something there. And I come talk about, yo, the Lord, this Lord, that some idiot ugly. Man a vlogger, well, I shouldn't even know any man. Yo, I see this thing, people, look at it now. Zin, you see a woman, it's very beautiful, very gorgeous, very nice. No matter how the woman stay, God make a woman very special. God did make, he create Adam, Zin, and he create Eve, because I know that a man needs a woman. Zin, God never create Adam and create Steve. So why not try mix up a thing them for? Me no response to nobody, man. A straight attack. Zin, yo people, it's wrong. And it thing get hurtful. You know, me come say boom now, me say somebody, a female I listen to our live, and me say, boom, me take a name and see how I man. When me look upon it like this, look a dirty boy over there, so you understand? Yo, and yo, people them take this thing outrageous. You know what I mean? It's like these men feel like them have it's different. You say certain country, I don't even know, certain country them think that, yo, you think say Jamaica, them say something about Jamaica, and say Jamaica sitting there sometimes, say Jamaica, homophobia, and Jamaica this, Jamaica that, you understand? But check the ratio. That's what I'm telling the people. Just check the ratio, Zin, on a real level. We don't support them nastiness there, Zin, them nastiness there. So you see all of them go nasty boy there, and them look a nasty girl there. Them need to go away. On a real level. Me no response to nobody. Zin? If you find out yourself say newlink about it, and you say, yo, newlink for going up. You just say go. But me have to be realistic. Me have to set plans and set the orders to my sons and my daughters so them can come look up to and know what the world is all about and where the world are head to. You think more of them head down the alien there? You think more of them head down the alien there? The same way me go come and me burn the gunman and I say they wrong for your grown and kill innocent people. I see me go burn and I say it wrong too. Who not see the look of you? Yo, people are trying to know enough of them look and say boy, you take up look of people school boy too.